Welcome to ACM Corporate Center. So let's have a quick tour in our very own office located at number 42 Scout Bayoran Street, Barangay South Triangle, Quezon City, Philippines. Upon entering our office, you'll see our front desk. Punta naman tayo sa 88 VIP Ventures Corp. With of course, Piolo Pascual, our very own Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Lito Almilia. Tara, pasok pa tayo. And here's where the magic happens. Ang aming Zoom area. Next, ang aming Business Development Department. At ang in charge with all the equipment and devices for our beloved franchisees. Walang iba kundi ang aming assets team. Siyempre, papahuli ba? Ang sales department. Punta naman tayo sa second floor. Tara! First off, our Collaborate 88 VIP office. Client Experience Team. Siyempre, ang aming HR. And last and definitely not the least, the Finance Department. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed our quick office tour. We look forward sa inyong pagbisita sa aming opisina. Dahil dito sa ACM, VIP ka na, welcome ka pa.